What's up YouTube, GB Trades here again, up for another day. Today's November 19th. Currently hit TP just now. I forgot that I had this daily profit target locked in, so I was supposed to take profit right here, which is $1,000 take profit, but that's fine. 800 is all I need just to meet the consistency rule. So I need one more in order for me to take a payout hopefully tomorrow. We'll see. But anyways, going into the day, I was pretty bearish, but then we kept pushing higher and higher. I even recorded a live trading video in where I just didn't get an entry at all. Like all my drawn liquidities got taken without me getting an entry, because I was basically waiting for a retracement, but I couldn't get anything. The market just kept pumping and pumping, as you can see. Pump, 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 no significant retracements whatsoever. And the trade that I took was pretty much more of a reversal, because obviously there's no more drawn liquidities to be taken. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna wait for an inverse. But anyways, we'll go over the day. I had four targets, I mean. London lows and previous daily low, and then we also have this previous daily high and also London highs from yesterday's session, which never got taken. Obviously it got taken just now, and the previous daily high was also considered Asia highs as well. So a really good draw on liquidity for sure. But anyways, let's see here. See, that was from yesterday as well. But yeah, those were my main targets for today. Technically 9:30 open. We dumped a little lower, and then we kept pumping and pumping without any retracements whatsoever. That's why I never got an entry. I almost FOMO'd actually, because I was like, you know what, like if we're gonna keep pumping, I might as well go in. But at the same time, I didn't want to do that because that's pretty risky. But yeah, I'll let all my drawn liquidities get run over. This was my final one actually down here, up here. I mean, like if we take this, I want to see some type of retracement at least, which we finally got, and I took advantage of it. Which is more a reversal play. I mean, in terms of the higher time frame, I guess you can say that it's more of a continuation to the downside, but on the lower time frames, it's more of a reversal. But anyways, what I was looking into, I was looking for these gaps to be inverse. This guy here, this one, and this one right here. So two of the gaps, those are my conditions. And we also have this 2-minute gap that got inverse. So I was basically waiting for the other 1-minute gap to be inverse, and then I would enter. I entered right about here, this candle here. I think I got a pretty bad fill. Let me show you the executions quickly here. Okay. So I entered about, so right here, it's the gap, 24,918. So I got a pretty bad fill then, huh? What the hell? So I got whatever. Anyways, my stop loss was a 70, I think somewhere here, but I was risking like $500 basically, because I was going for a 1 to 2, which is somewhere down here. But as you can see, obviously you got I don't know why. Whatever. I was risking 500. 2784 was the take profit right here. I didn't realize I had this turned on. I was going for the $1,000 take profit. But anyway, whatever. I mean, still a W. But that was my main take profit right about here. Because you also have this 930 low Actually, never mind. There's no 930 though. But you still got these London lows to be taken. I could have targeted that and went with a lower contract. I went with 3 micros, so pretty sure it was 70-point stop loss. I don't remember, but because I ended the live recording at around 10:30 because I was like, there's really nothing going on. And then we inversed it. And then I entered. Pretty sure I entered here because it's a 1 to 2. I don't know why. Maybe because I added 2 more contracts. Because I entered with 1 contract and then I added 2 more. Maybe that's probably why. I don't know. But this was basically my main take profit. But obviously I got liquidated at 800, which is fine with me. So I only need 800 more to request a payout. And also I can go over the trade that I took last night as well during Asia session. We can go over that real quick. Right here. I got break even on my alpha accounts, but on my top step accounts I was able to grab a 1-to-1. Because on this trade I was going for a 1 to 2. I was targeting previous daily low, which almost got taken out actually, and then we kept pumping higher for some reason. So it was about 67 points away from getting taken. That was my main draw on liquidity last night. But I'll show you where I entered. We had this 1 hour gap. As you can see, we've been rejecting off of it. I was looking initially on the 15-minute, but then I went down to the 5-minute chart, and that's why I entered. I believe I entered when we got out the gap. So right above here. My stop loss was pretty cooked. I think it was right above here or something. I was going for a 1 to 2. So right here. My break-even point was this guy. So as you can see, it did not work out. I mean, I could have trailed my stop for a 1-to-1, but that's gonna mess up the whole consistency rule because I need to make 800 or 1,000, and I only risk 2 micros for this guy. I mean, the take profit was kind of cooked as well because I was kind of expecting a 200-point move, but it doesn't happen every session. But obviously got stopped out of break even, which is fine. So I got stopped out around 2 o'clock. I entered at around 10 o'clock. But yeah, those are my 2 trades, 1 break even and 1 W for the NYM session. That's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully we get the winning day so we can request a 10K payout. Peace out.